Hello children, in this video you are going to do the book back exercise on subject and predicate. So let me start give you the short recap on subject and predicate. What is subject? Yes, the doer of the action. The sentence is talking about whom. That person's name or that thing name or that animal name is the subject only. Okay, it always comes at the beginning of the sentence only. Okay, the first word in a sentence refer to the subject. What is predicates? Yes, predicate talks about the action done. What is the action is done? Okay, from the verb part. Okay, from the verb and to the end of the sentence. That part is referred to the predicate. And what are subject and predicate? What is the use of the subject and predicate? Subject and predicate help us to divide the sentence into two parts. So if anybody asks you what are the two parts of a sentence, means you need to say the answer, that is subject and predicate. Subject means the doer of the action. It talks about the doer of the action, who is doing that action, okay, or the sentence is talking about whom, that person's name referred to the subject. And what about predicate? It's talk about the action. What is the action is done? What is the action is happening? In short, I can say the verb part. From the verb until the end of the sentence are the predicate only. Clear? Okay. So what do we need to do in this exercise? In this exercise, you need to divide the sentence into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. So with the usage of slash, you know what is the meaning of slash? This line, okay? This means only the slash, okay? I have written in the bracket. This symbol refers to the it is the name of it is in the name of slash only, okay? You need to use this symbol, this slash, to divide the sentence into two parts. That is, one is subject and one more is predicate only, okay? I have given you the idea of the subject and predicate. Always at the beginning, the subject will come at the beginning, at the first word, okay? And predicate comes with the verb only. From the verb until the end of the sentence refer to the predicate only, okay? So there are 7 questions in your book. Here I have written 6 only. So let's start doing the exercise, okay? So here this is a sentences which is taken from a story about the shepherd and the wolf only, okay? Let's read out the question first. That is, first one. A shepherd found a baby wolf. A shepherd found a baby wolf. Shepherd means what? Okay, the person who takes care of the cattle, right? Cattle, அதாவது ஆடு மாடு அவங்களெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்துக்கிறவங்க, அதை மேய்க்கிறவங்க தான் நம்ம வந்து shepherdன்னு சொல்லுவோம், okay? So a shepherd found a baby wolf. ஒரு shepherd வந்து ஒரு baby நரியை வந்து அது found பண்ணிச்சு from the forest. The shepherd brought the wolf home. The shepherd brought the wolf home. He took the wolf to the home. Okay, அது அவன் என்ன பண்ணான்? shepherd அந்த baby நரியை வந்து அவனுடைய வீட்டுக்கு கொண்டுட்டு போயிட்டான். Next, he taught the wolf to steal sheep from other people. அவன் வந்து அந்த wolf-க்கு அந்த நரிக்கு என்ன கற்றுக் கொடுத்தான்? மற்றவங்க வீட்டில் இருக்கிற ஷீப், அதாவது செம்மறி ஆடுகள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது எல்லாமே திருடுறதுக்கு, ஸ்டீல் மீன்ஸ் திருடுறதுக்கு வந்து கற்றுக் கொடுத்தான். அப்போ எப்படி வந்து ஸ்டீல் பண்ணணும், எப்படி வந்து திருடி எடுத்துட்டு வரணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த wolf-க்கு யார் கற்றுக் கொடுத்தது? shepherd. ஓகே, the wolf told him this. அதுக்கு அந்த wolf வந்து கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு இது வந்து அவன்கிட்ட வந்து இதை சொல்லிச்சு, that you have taught me to steal. நீ வந்து எனக்கு எப்படி திருடணும்னு எனக்கு நீ சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்ட. I may also steal sheep from you. ஸோ வந்து நான் உன்கிட்ட இருந்து கூட நான் வந்து இனிமேல் ஷீப் வந்து திருடுவேன். ஏன்னா நீ எனக்கு ஆல்ரெடி எப்படி திருடணும், மற்றவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து எப்படி திருடணும்னு எனக்கு நீ கற்றுக் கொடுத்துட்ட. அப்போனா நீயும் எனக்கு மற்றவன் தானே, அப்போ நான் உன்கிட்ட இருந்து கூட நான் வந்து ஷீப்பை வந்து திருடிடுவேன் அப்படின்னு வந்து that wolf replied to the shepherd. Okay, so from this incident the shepherd learned his lesson, that is not stealing is a very bad habit only, right? So whenever if some person is stealing, means we need to inform them, we need to advise them that not to steal anything, because it will turn bad to us only. Whatever you do, whatever good or bad, whatever you do, it will come back to you only. Okay, so let's start parts, that is subject and predicate. Okay. So the first sentence, that is a shepherd found a baby wolf. What I said in the previous video, for dividing the sentence into two parts, first you need to find the verb. Can you find the verb here? Yes. What is that? Found. It is the past form of find only. So here found is the verb only. So from the found till the end of the sentence refers to predicate part only. And also we need to make a question. We need to ask a question like, who found a baby wolf? Who found a baby wolf? What is the answer? A shepherd. So a shepherd will be the subject. I am going to divide this sentence into two, that with the usage of this slash. So a shepherd refers to subject. I am going to write yes. And found a baby wolf. From this to that will be the predicate. It is telling us about the action, what has happened. He found, the shepherd found a baby wolf. Found a baby wolf. Who found a baby wolf? The shepherd only. So the shepherd, a shepherd will be the subject, and from the verb will be the, all other words will refer to the predicate only. Very easy, no? Okay, let's go for the second. The shepherd brought the wolf home. The shepherd brought the wolf home. Can you find the verb here? Brought. Very good. Brought is the verb. Brought means it is the past form of bring only. Okay. So now you need to ask a question like, who brought the wolf home? Who brought the wolf home? Again the answer will be the shepherd. So the shepherd is the subject. From the verb to the end of the sentence, all this word refer to predicate only. So this will be P, stand for predicate, and this will be subject. Okay, the shepherd is the subject, and brought the wolf will be the predicate only. Okay, so let's go for the third one. He taught the wolf to steal sheep from other people. He taught the wolf to steal sheep from other people. So here, first the first thing you need to do is you need to find the verb here. What is the verb here? That is taught. Taught is the past form of teach only. Okay. So we can ask a question like who? Who taught the wolf to steal sheep from other people? The answer is he. He means he refers to the shepherd only. So he is the subject, and all other words from this to this, from the verb to at the end of the sentence, this will be the predicate. Okay. So let's go for fourth one. The wolf told him this. The wolf told him this. Here the verb is told. It is the past form of tell only. So who told him this? Who told him this? The answer for the question will be the subject. The wolf told him this. So the wolf will be the subject. So the wolf will be the subject. So I am going to put yes, and from the told, from the verb to at the end, that will be the predicate. Clear? It's very easy. Now you need to do by yourself. You have taught me to steal. You have taught me to steal. Here the verb is have taught. Okay, have taught. Have is the helping verb. Have taught is the verb. So the question will be, who have taught me to steal? The subject is you only. So yes, I am going to put yes, stand for subject. Here you is the subject, and all other words from the verb will be the predicate. Clear? So I hope you are getting the answer in your mind. Let's go for sixth one. I may also steal sheep from you. I may also steal sheep from you. So here, can you find the subject? Very good. I will be the subject, and all other words will be the predicate only. Clear, children? And there is one more question also in your book back. So you need to do that question by yourself. So from you can see, look at the board. All the first word refer to the subject only. See, a shepherd, the shepherd, he, the wolf, you, I. All these are the subject only. And from the verb part, from the verb, okay, the verb, where is the verb present? Here next to the subject. From the verb to till the end of the sentence are the predicate only. So I hope you are clear with this exercise. It is very easy only. So try to do the other exercise also by yourself. I'll meet you